People do not respect you for one simple reason. You train them not to. Most people never notice this truth until everything around them starts slipping. And Arin was the perfect example. Arin, at work, Arin kept doing everything everyone asked. He stayed quiet while others took credit. He accepted tasks nobody wanted. He smiled while being pushed around. And every time he stayed silent, he made one thing louder. His time meant nothing. Night realization that night he stared at the ceiling and felt the truth hit him. He was not invisible by accident. He had made himself invisible. People treated him like a backup option because he acted like one. The small trigger, then the final straw came. A friend canceled plans last minute and posted a picture hanging out with someone else. At that moment, Arin finally asked the hard question. Why does nobody respect me? Self-respect awakens. The real answer shocked him. People respected him exactly as much as he respected himself. He had zero boundaries, zero clarity, zero consequences. And once he saw this, he could not unsee it. Saying no at work the next morning, he made his first shift. When his manager tried dumping another last-minute task on him, Arin stood his ground. I already have deadlines. If this matters, we adjust priorities or give it to someone else. The room froze. Then the manager simply agreed. The world did not end. It got better. Confronting a friend later, a friend cracked another disrespectful joke. Arin did not laugh it off. He said, if you have something to say, say it directly. If you just want someone to target, find someone else. The joke stopped instantly, people adjusting. As Arin's boundaries grew, something interesting happened. The people who valued him adjusted. The people who only used him disappeared. And both outcomes were wins. New respect within weeks. Coworkers started asking before piling work on him. Friends checked in before making plans. Conversations shifted. His voice carried weight. Respect followed the second he stopped acting like a doormat. Moral and transformation. Arin learned the truth the hard way. Respect does not come from being nice. It comes from self-respect, clarity, and consistent boundaries. If nobody respects you, your behavior is the starting point. Change that, and everything around you changes. Respect arrives the moment you stop settling.